Class 7. Again I am Ken Mishra. Welcome all of you in online classes of science. Class, yesterday we have studied about replenishment of nutrients in soil, because when we grow some crop in the field, in the soil, then these plants, these crop plants used to absorb nutrients from the soil for the purpose of photosynthesis. So a time will come when these nutrients are deficit in that soil. So replenishment of these nutrients in soil is very necessary. How replenishment takes place? Yesterday I told you that some farmers are using fertilizers for this purpose. Some farmers are using manure for this purpose, green manure for this purpose. But some replenishment of nutrients occur naturally, biologically, such as, I think you all have remembered this name of rhizobium. Rhizobium is the name of a bacterium. It is a bacteria, rhizobium. This bacteria comes into a large group of bacteria which is known as nitrogen fixing bacteria or nitrogen fixation bacteria. This rhizobium is responsible for fixing atmospheric nitrogen, which is 78% in atmosphere. This bacteria rhizobium is responsible for fixing atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate or nitrite form in the soil. Clear हो गया? Now, this nitrogen fixing bacteria or nitrogen fixation bacteria rhizobium is present in nodules of leguminous plants. Leguminous plants. लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स का मतलब सभी को पता होगा. लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स का मतलब होता है पल्सेस प्लांट. अब पल्सेस, सभी तरह की पल्सेस, फॉर एग्जांपल अरहर पल्स, पी पल्स, ठीक है, राजमा, दीज ऑल आर एग्जांपल ऑफ पल्सेस एंड द प्लांट्स आर नोन एज लेग्यूमिनस प्लांट्स. सो दिस राइजोबियम और नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन बैक्टीरिया यूज्ड टू लिव इन नोड्यूल्स ऑफ leguminous plants. What are nodules? Nodules are present in the roots, and inside these roots rhizobium is present for what? For fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in form of nitrate or nitrite into the soil. So in this way, in this natural way, in this biological way, replenishment of nitrogen takes place in the soil. Clear? This is biological method of nitrogen fixation. After that, let's see again. It is the last of your chapter number 1. Let's see again. All components of our food which are necessary for our body are called nutrients. This is first point. I think all of you clear. Second point, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. This is second point. Third लिखा हुआ है, the organism which can make their own food by themselves from simple substances are called autotrophs. All green plants are example of autotrophs. Now after that it is written, chlorophyll and sunlight are the essential requirements for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. Clear? And sunlight also. Complex chemical substances such as carbohydrates are the products of photosynthesis, as we have studied in this chapter. Now, solar energy is stored by the leaves with the help of chlorophyll. और इस solar energy से करते क्या है plants? With the help of this solar energy, splitting of water takes place. Splitting of water means क्या हुआ? H2O कहते हैं वाटर का फॉर्मूला H2O होता है. स्प्लिटिंग का मतलब ब्रेक हो जाना. तो इसमें से 2H अलग हो जाएगा और O अलग हो जाएगा. ठीक है, और ये काम में आ जाएगा ग्लूकोज बनाने के, इसको कहते हैं स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ वाटर। आफ्टर दैट ऑक्सीजन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, एज ऑल ऑफ यू नो। During the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is taken and oxygen is released. So, oxygen is released. Oxygen released in photosynthesis is utilized by other living organisms for their survival in the process of respiration. Now, fungi derive nutrition from dead decaying matter. They are saprotrophs. Saprotrophs. Plants like Cuscuin are parasite. Cascuta is also parasite. They take food from the host plant. Now, a few plants and all animals are dependent on others for their nutrition and are called heterotrophs. Last point of this chapter is written. There are some other organisms which live together and share shelter and nutrients. This association is called symbiotic association. This is all about chapter 1. Now in next online class I will provide you answers of VSA, very short answer type questions. This is all for today. Revise complete chapter 1. This is your homework. Students, stay home, be safe. Thank you class 7.